What if the most important Mercedes of the decade is not an S-Class, not an EQS, but this car right here? At first glance, it looks futuristic. At second glance, it feels familiar. And by the end of this video, you might realize the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class quietly redefines what a luxury sedan should be. This is not just an update. This is a message from Mercedes-Benz about where luxury is going next. Stay with me, because one detail you might completely miss at first could change how you see this car forever. Looking at the front of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the first thing that stands out is confidence. The traditional grille is gone. In its place, we see a wide, clean black panel with an illuminated Mercedes-Benz signature stretching across the front. The headlights are ultra slim and sharp, connected by a continuous light strip that makes the car feel wider and more planted. This design is not aggressive. It is calm, precise, and futuristic. Mercedes is clearly blending electric design language with classic E-Class elegance. Even if this model is not fully electric, it visually aligns with the brand's EQ future. Curiosity trigger here. Notice how the front has almost no unnecessary lines. Mercedes is removing complexity, not adding it. That tells us something important about where luxury design is heading. From the side, the 2026 E-Class looks long, low, and extremely aerodynamic. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, almost like a coupe, but without sacrificing rear seat space. This is classic Mercedes balance. The shoulder line is subtle but powerful, creating reflections that change as light moves across the body. In this deep red metallic finish, the car looks alive. Large aerodynamic wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the car a strong stance without looking sporty or stiff. This side profile tells you exactly who this car is for. Someone who wants elegance, not attention. Someone who values presence, not noise. At the rear, the story continues. A full-width LED taillight runs across the trunk, with the Mercedes-Benz name illuminated in the center. This is becoming a brand signature, and it works beautifully here. The rear bumper is sculpted, clean, and modern. No fake exhausts, no unnecessary decorations, just smooth surfaces and confident proportions. Another curiosity moment. The rear design looks more futuristic than the front, hinting that Mercedes designed this car from the future backward. Now let us step inside, because this is where the 2026 E-Class truly separates itself. The doors open wide, revealing a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional car interior. Ambient lighting flows across the doors, dashboard, and center console. The red accents create a dramatic but tasteful atmosphere, especially at night. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display that stretches seamlessly from the driver's side to the center. Everything feels integrated, not attached. Materials look premium everywhere. Soft touch surfaces, clean lines, and minimal buttons. Mercedes is clearly saying luxury is not about adding more, it is about refining everything. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is not trying to shock you, it is trying to convince you. Convince you that sedans still matter. Convince you that luxury can be calm. Convince you that the future does not have to be loud. And maybe the biggest curiosity of all is this. If Mercedes can make the E-Class this good, what does that say about the rest of their future lineup? That is something worth watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let me know in the comments, would you choose this E-Class over an SUV today?